Good morning and happy Thursday, first friends, boys and girls. Penny and Clifford here to read another story to you today. I surely hope all of you are having a great day so far. I know that we are, aren't we, Clifford? Yes, we are. It's time to read our story. And our story today is Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Do you see his buttons on his shirt? Ooh, let's see what the story's about. Now, boys and girls, remember, Miss Penny can't sing very well, but sing along with me, if you will. I would like that. Here we go. Pete the cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. See, he's up and getting dressed for the day, boys and girls. Do you see his 4 buttons on his shirt? Awesome. 4 buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buttons, boys and girls. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left, boys and girls? Do you see that blue button? Button just rolled away. There's 1, 2, 3. 3 buttons are left. 3 buttons are left. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. 3 buttons. Okay? Pete says, groovy. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Do you see them there, boys and girls? 1, 2, 3. Pete's now skateboarding outside, and all of a sudden, pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left, boys and girls? Do you see he's on his skateboard? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 buttons are left. Oh no. 2 buttons. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Pete the cat is so cool. Now, after skateboarding, Pete gets an ice cream cone from the ice cream truck. And all of a sudden, pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away, boys and girls. How many buttons are left? Do you see his ice cream and the ice cream truck? And that green button just rolling away. 1 button left, boys and girls. 1 button. Oh my goodness. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My button, my one groovy button. My button, my one groovy button. How many buttons were left, boys and girls? One. Now, after eating his ice cream cone, Pete decides he wants to go surfing. He's on his way to the beach when... Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. Boys and girls, how many buttons are left? See that red button just rolled away. How many buttons are left, boys and girls? None. 0. Poor Pete. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? There are 0 buttons left on his shirt, boys and girls. 0. What do you think Pete saw when he looked down at his buttonless shirt? Boys and girls, Pete saw his belly button, and he kept on singing his song. See, he saw his belly button, boys and girls. We all have a belly button. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. And Pete says, it's all good. He's so cool, boys and girls. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But boys and girls, do we cry? Goodness, no. We just keep on singing. Just like Pete the cat. You see his buttons? We just keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. Oh, boys and girls, I love Pete the cat. He's such a cool guy, isn't he? He doesn't get upset about anything. We surely do hope you all have a great day today. Clifford and I look forward to reading one more story this week tomorrow on Friday. Please know that I love you all so very much, and I can't wait till we are all back together in school again this summer. Have a wonderful day, boys and girls.